Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to install mod packs, create your own mod packs, and edit them mod packs. So first you're going to want to open up the CurseForge app, which should look like an anvil. Once you enter into the CurseForge app, you're going to want to go into browse, which is right here. Click on that. Focus on mod packs for now. So just choose any mod pack you want. For example, I'm gonna search for a horror mod pack. Just choose any singular one. I'll choose this one. Once that's done, you can either click play, or you can go back onto my mod packs right here. Click on that, and you can see that this has now been downloaded onto my mod packs section. So you're going to want to click on that, and now you can see all the mods that are inside of this mod pack, and the resource packs and the shaders. Now, if you want to edit this mod pack and add mods on your own, if you go next to this play button right here, there should be 3 dots. Click on them 3 dots, and then it should show all these options here. But the one you want to focus on is this one right here. So click on it, and then once you're on here, you can check all these options here, but focus on this one, which if you click this checkbox right here, click that. And then once you've clicked that, click done. Once you've done that, you should be able to activate, inactivate, update, delete them. Same with data packs, resource packs, shaders, and worlds. And if you want to add any mods, just click on this add content button right here. Click on that. And then you'll be able to add any mod you want, as long as they're compatible. So we'll choose this one, and this one, this one, this one, and they should appear inside of the mod pack. See, I've added a few new mods. And then if you want to add some resource packs, you can just do the same thing, add content, and then now you can just add all the resource packs you want. Again, as long as they're compatible and they work, and they should be added. Same with shaders. Just do the same thing. Once you got the hang of that, you can do that for data packs and worlds. So that's about it for this section. So now that you know how to install mod packs and edit mod packs, now it's time to show you how to make your own mod packs. So first, you want to go and create, which is this little button right here. Click on that. You can add a profile name, so just add in any name. I'm just gonna call it mod pack. You can call it whatever you want, and you can add whatever picture you want. Doesn't really matter. You can choose any Minecraft version you want. Doesn't matter. It goes from all the way from 1.21.11 all the way to 1.1. So those are all other versions you get to choose from. So I'm gonna do 1.20.1. For this, you can either choose Forge, Fabric, Quilt, Neoforge, or Vanilla. So I'm going to stick with Forge for now, but you can choose any singular one you want. Each mod loader has their own mods, but there's also a mod loader version. You don't need to configure this at all. You can just leave it as this, but if you want to, you can change it. Once you've done that, you can just click on this create button right here, and there you go. The mod pack is created. Now, all we need to do is just add some mods. And to do that, just like earlier, click on add content. And now you can just choose any mods. Just click all the mods. It doesn't matter. Choose any mods you want. I'm just doing this for an example. So you got all these mods. Same with data packs. So just add any mods. Any of these data packs you want. There you go. And then same for resource packs, shaders, and then worlds. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. If you found this helpful, leave a comment down below. Like and subscribe for more content like this, and bye.